What is going on, guys? We are back today with another video, and today we're talking about how much jump rope you need to do in order to lose weight. Now we gotta understand, guys, that there is no one size fits all answer to this, and it's really gonna come down to two things. The first thing is, what level of jump rope are you at? Are you an advanced jumper? Are you somebody who's just starting out? The second thing is, what exactly is your goal? Are you just trying to lose a few pounds? Are you trying to lose a lot of weight? Are you trying to get shredded? So you need to write down your goal, and you need to be specific and work towards something. Now with that being said, ideally you wanna work up towards 5 to 6 days a week and 30 minutes of jumping a day. And this is for the intermediate to advanced jumper. Now for somebody who's a beginner, which is most likely you who clicked on this video, 3 to maximum 5 minutes a day, and I do not suggest more than 5 minutes a day. Because the last thing you wanna do as a beginner is overtrain and get injured. And if you are just starting out learning the technique, going for 30 minutes straight is gonna be extremely difficult, so you wanna ease into it. And what I would classify as a beginner, guys, is somebody who can't jump over the rope at least 100 times in a row or jump for a minute straight. Now, on top of the 5 minutes a day, you wanna add about 25 minutes of walking, and eventually once you start to get better, you can do 10 minutes of jumping and 20 minutes of walking, then 15 and 15, and then eventually work your way up to 30. The last thing I wanted to leave you guys off with is, you cannot outtrain a bad diet. You might be able to get away with it at first, but almost slipped there, the ice. But if you guys are trying to get any serious results, guys, you have to be watching what you're eating. You have to be tracking your calories and making sure that you're getting in enough protein. If you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and share, and I will see you guys in the next one.